Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a lip combination on two products by Charlotte Tilbury, and we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. So this is the Lip Cheat Lip Liner in the particular shade Pink Venus, which is described as a peachy coral shade. Out of the 15 other shades that are available, this one is the more pinkier, warmer tone. There's actually a lot of ranges of pinks and berries and reds and nudes and all kinds of shades to choose from, but I particularly love the combo of coral and peachy together. So this is the lip liner. What it is a lip cheat lip liner which smooths over lips to create a seamless line. It resizes, it reshapes for a fuller pout. It lasts up to 6 hours thanks to the no smudge waterproof formula that also won't feather or transfer. It has a texture that is rich and velvety to layer comfortably on your lips, and I absolutely love it. I have been pairing this with another Charlotte Tilbury product, which I will show you in just a minute, but this is what it looks like on my lips, and I didn't actually line the lips only. I actually lined it first and then filled it in with this product. And I believe there is no sharpener, so you do have to sharpen it yourself. And for reference, I do have dry to normal skin, and I have medium to tan olive skin, so I have dry to normal lips as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pair it with the Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Bath Gloss, which is very new to Charlotte Tilbury. It retails for $35, and you get 0.12 ounces of product. Now, as you look at the applicator, it's definitely very unique. Almost looks like a heart. It's flat. It's a doe foot, but as you can also see from the swatch, it is clear, and it says there's a pinky kind of tone to it, but I can't really see it swatched. But what it is a rosy pink lip enhancing gloss that has a plumping effect for fuller, wider, and healthier looking lips, which I 100% agree. It's formulated without parabens. It's actually very comfortable, and there is a peppermint extract that gives your lips a cool, fresh feeling. And in my opinion, you do have to keep on dipping your applicator to apply more product to build up that high shine, which it does have a high shine finish. Now, this is called Refresh Rose, which is a sheer pink, but I honestly don't really see the pigment at all, so I would just describe this as a lip topper. And I have recently just been pairing it with this lip liner, and I absolutely love this combination. So if you want to go ahead and check that out on my Instagram, go ahead and do that in the description box down below. But that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.